All right, so I'm up on the roof. It's not a very big roof, but we'll take a walk around and talk about what I see. So, first of all, the front of the house here has this section which is 3-tab asphalt shingle, and for the most part, it looks okay. I mean, it is showing some signs of age. This particular roof covering is like a 20 to 25 year roof. Like I said, it's showing some signs of age. We do have one tab here that is missing, that we would want to get replaced for sure. I noticed that some of the edge flashing here is kicked out. So my main, well, there's actually a piece of aluminum on the fascia here that's missing, this whole section here. So I would recommend capping that with aluminum and then maybe tacking this other stuff down so the wind doesn't get behind here and rip that off. Actually, on a flat roof, I've seen flat roofs tear off in heavy winds, and that's usually where it starts. Something like that, just a little loose section where wind can get under there, could actually pick up the, it'll start there and then pick up the rest of the roof and blow it off. So, or at least cause, significant damage. So, rest of the roof is rubber. So the rubber is depending what exact kind that you use, but typically 40 to 50 year life expectancy on a rubber roof. So and this, I want to say, I know there was a fire right in 2012, I believe, and then after that is when they replaced the roof. I would think that's when they replaced the roof. So I would say, and it looks like it as well, that it's probably, about 12 years old. So with the rubber roof, the thing you want to keep an eye out for is seams, right? And roof penetrations. Any roof, you want to keep an eye on roof penetrations, but so yeah, it looks like the way they did it here was just they're just relying on the sealant here. So as of now, it looks okay. Whenever you're relying on roof sealant as your main source of water prevention, that will dry out and it can crack. So that's definitely something needs to be kept an eye needs to be on, because I do not believe there was any sort of attic access up here. So yeah, that one actually has a vent boot on it, even though that's designed for like a shingled roof, but it's working. They do make them for flat roofs, those vent boots. But yeah, that's rubber around there. That's sealed up pretty good. So yeah, not too many concerns here with the roof. Like what I've already mentioned. And there was a small spot where there's some ponding. Nothing that I'm really too worried about. Looks like it does pond up a little bit more after rain. You can see the staining here. Yeah, nothing too terrible. So yeah, that shingle up there, and really keep, and that piece of flashing that was loose, and the missing fascia over here, and keep an eye on the roof penetrations, and that should be about it.